Sa gear review video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang isa sa pinakabagong brand of drumsticks dito sa Pilipinas. Ito ang Killsticks Drumsticks. Ayan. Now, 7A is designed for that light jazz type music kung saan mas softer on the hands, mas mellower ang magiging tunog ng drums. Very lightweight sticks to. Now, let's go on to the standard drumsticks. Ito ang 5A. Now, 5A is considered to be the best of both of all playing. I mean, best of both worlds. Hindi siya sobrang bigat, hindi rin siya sobrang gaan, kung saan perfect balance siya for every players. Now, we go on to the heavy drumsticks na meron kami sa lineup namin. Ito ang 5B. Now, 5B is the beat-up version ng 5A namin kung saan bagay na bagay ito lalo na sa mga heavy hitters na naghahanap ng more volume, more power, and at the same time, that rim shot na masarap paluin. Ito siya.